I'm Dr. Kevin Golden, Associate Professor of Exegetical Theology at Concordia Seminary in St. Louis. I'd be blessed if you would join me this summer for our Lay Bible Institute with the very provocative title, The Prophet, the Prostitute, and the Prodigal. The prophets had a tough calling from the Lord, and so Hosea had a rather unique way that he faced that challenge, in that the Lord called him to marry a prostitute of all people. And then coming forth from that marriage were children who were emblematic of what God's own people had done, that they had run away from him, that they had become prodigals, that they had wasted his grace and his mercy. We'll learn from Hosea his faithfulness to his wife, and in him we will see how Yahweh, the Lord himself, is faithful to us, with that seen most specifically in our Savior Jesus Christ. Join me this summer that we might be strengthened in faith together.